Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to add money to a Paysafe card. Paysafe cards are a great way to pay for things online and in person without having to use your credit card. They're also a great way to keep your finances organized. Before we get started, I want to answer a question that I often get asked. What is a Paysafe card? A Paysafe card is a prepaid card that you can use to make online and in-person purchases. You can buy Paysafe cards in a variety of denominations at retailers and online. Once you have a Paysafe card, you can simply add money to it and start using it right away. So, how do you add money to a Paysafe card? There are a few different ways to do this. I'll be showing you two of the most common methods. Method 1. Add money to your Paysafe card online. Go to the Paysafe website and click on the Add Money tab. Enter your Paysafe card number and PIN. Choose the amount of money you want to add. Click on the Add Money button. Your money will be added to your Paysafe card instantly. Method 2. Add money to your Paysafe card at a retailer. Find a retailer that sells Paysafe cards. Purchase a Paysafe card in the denomination you want. Scratch off the back of the card to reveal the PIN. Go to the Paysafe website and click on the Add Money tab. Enter your Paysafe card number and PIN. Choose the amount of money you want to add. Click on the Add Money button. Your money will be added to your Paysafe card instantly. Once you have money on your Paysafe card, you can start using it right away. Here are a few tips for using your Paysafe card. Be sure to keep your Paysafe card in a safe place. Don't share your Paysafe card number with anyone. Check your balance regularly. Use your Paysafe card for legitimate purchases only. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching my video on how to add money to a Paysafe card. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time.